So Rick, we have a couple other videos we've already done talking about Medicaid and applying for it, and some of the things you got to look out for. Let's say you get through the application, everything's A-okay.
Yeah. Now what?
Now what? Yeah.
Now what? Well, guess what? At the end of the first year, after you've gotten through that application process and you've got the award of Medicaid, after 1 year, we have to reapply. But it's not technically reapply, it's just a renewal. So they're going to go back and they're going to annually review your situation, make sure you're still compliant.
This happens every year.
Every year.
Okay.
They're going to come in, they're going to want to see current bank statements, they're going to want to see current income statements. If you have to have one of those income trusts or qualified income trusts, they're going to want to see all 12 months of your statements to make sure you've been compliant with that rule. So watch that video on whether or not you've been compliant with your qualified income trust rules. So we need to demonstrate the ongoing need medically for Medicaid, but also the ongoing economic or financial eligibility has to be reestablished each and every year. It tends to be a fairly simple process. You can authorize Medicaid to take a look at your bank statements and your tax reportings, and sometimes we'll be able to determine eligibility off of those documents, and so it can make the renewal process fairly simple. But again, we always tell people we have to pay special attention to how you're managing that qualified income trust if you do have to have one of those set up.
Yeah, I mean, if dealing with the government can never be that simple, you can't always trust it's going to be simple. I don't think so.
Yeah, because they're looking for reasons to turn your case off.
Sure, absolutely.
And stop benefits and make you start all over again. If the application process wasn't more painful enough, I can't imagine how painful it would be to go through it yet again. So, trying to make sure once we get you on, we work with you to stay compliant so that when that renewal comes up, we're ready for it and we know that we're going to pass it with flying colors. So, again, for our listeners, that reminder that once that person goes on to Medicaid every year, we have to recertify or renew that application process to make sure they can stay on it and make sure that those care communities and care providers can continue to be paid.
We mentioned a couple other videos we've done on Medicaid. They're there at the website. If you're not there, you should get there. rmohiolaw.com. A lot of other videos there besides just Medicaid. Pretty much anything you need to know about, or thought you needed to know about estate planning and trust and everything. This guy knows a lot.
Yeah.
I'm learning a lot here. So head there. You'll learn a lot too. And thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for watching.